How to create reviews video on Canva PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to create reviews video on Canva PC. Easy and fast. All what you have to do is go to Canva and go to the top corner, click on create a design. Now click on video, and on this page go here in the list and scroll down until you find reviews video. Click on see all. Now you have many options of the reviews video. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. As you can see, click again, and it's so professional. As you can see, you can change the title and everything from here, and after you finish, click here and click download. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.